When logging in, an in-session settings menu will appear. To send documents straight to your printer, leave Printer ticked and click Connect. If you have opted for Don't Show Again, you can still amend these settings by going to the Settings cog in the top right and selecting Resources. To demonstrate the printing process, I'll use Customers. I'll access reports from the top. I'm using the customer list in this example. Click Print. Select the criteria values. Click OK. Select Local Printer. Click OK. A print preview screen will appear. Select your printer from the Destination drop-down menu. Click Print and the document will be sent to your local printer.